of the Abaco Islands. All I wanna do is throw a dark line around a piling. We've been sailing for 20 hours, a bucket 8 to 10. We're gonna leave the world behind, who knows when. Living like the natives do, all summer long, yeah. We're trolling down the hole in the wall. We'll be back before long. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. It's good to be back home in Marsh Harbor town, sitting on the bridge with my eyes glued to the palm trees all around. There's nothing like the islands in the heat of the summertime, 'cause we'll be dragging baits tomorrow on the ocean till the sun don't shine. Living like the natives do, all summer